Hi, James McCloskey from Remax Realty Enterprises. Welcome to beautiful Stoney Creek and my new listing here at 257 Millen Road, Unit 110. This is a really unique condo. You're gonna wait for the tour. You're gonna absolutely love it. 2 floors, 1,460 square feet, 2 bed, 2 bath, beautiful little walkout, very modern finishes throughout, high ceilings. And you know who it's perfect for? There's so many people that this condo can work for. Multi-level families, older kids, younger kids, in-laws visiting, friends. It's perfect. It's great for an investment opportunity too. You know what? Don't take my word for it. Let's go for a tour. Welcome to 257 Millen Road, Unit 110. This modern condo is spectacular. The modern foyer welcomes you with vinyl floors and large closet. The kitchen is stunning with quartz counters, backsplash, pot lights, pendant lights, upgraded cabinets, vinyl floors, and stainless steel appliances. The living and dining room are a great space to eat and lounge with vinyl floors, crown molding, pot lights, and walk out to large patio. The main floor bedroom has a large walk-in closet, vinyl floors, and large window. The main floor bath is beautifully modern with deep soaker tub, quartz counter, and storage. The large laundry room features front-load washer-dryer, drying rack, shelving, and extra storage space. The lower level is stunning with a large combined rec room and dining room with vinyl floors, high ceilings, custom built-in wall unit, wired for projector, and pot lights. The lower level bedroom has large double closet, high ceilings, large window, and vinyl floors. The lower level bath features an upgraded large seamless glass shower, quartz counter, and modern design. The lower level also features a large storage closet. The large balcony is great for your morning coffee or evening glass of wine and allows for great convenience with gate access and lock to make easy entry with groceries or friends visiting. Well, thanks for coming on tour here today at 257 Millen Road, Unit 110. I'm going to show you how easy it is to get in and out of this unit. Lock here for privacy. Lock here for privacy, nice and quiet. It's easy. Do you have a dog? It's great for access. You have friends coming over? They could just come meet you right here. Visitor parking is just around the corner. Give me a call, message me. I'll give you a private tour, answer any questions that you have. Follow me on social media at #HomeJamesRemax, and you have yourself a beautiful day.